Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will learn how to delete your WhatsApp account permanently and use Signal private messenger application. So let's start as a demonstration. So let's start how to delete your WhatsApp account permanently. So first of all, open your WhatsApp application, go back and enter your setting and look at this. Here options are available like a storage and data. First of all, manage your storage. You delete everything first of all, otherwise all data and all information as it is stored in server side and they are using your information. So you delete as a one by one like this way, or delete all data itself, you decide, but that one is a mandatory to delete all your storage and data before you delete your account. So account, and here delete account is available. You click on that particular account and then you enter your mobile number here. So belongs to India, so I'm entering my mobile number here and then simply delete my account here. So yes, my account is deleted. Delete my account. It's very simple to delete your account. And next, you delete WhatsApp and you use Signal application. Because of this privacy policy problem, you delete your WhatsApp account and you install Signal application. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.